Just last month, I had to read 4,057 pages of the General Appropriations Act for 2025. Because I reviewed it, analyzed it, and, yes, in parts, vetoed it. And so for those of you, and up to now, I cannot find those damned blank items. We'll keep looking, but I really am convinced that they simply do not exist because it is not allowed to exist.
Noong pong na isagawa po ang budget, definitely hindi po detalyado ang kanyang pagkakaalam kung ano ba ang mga insertions.
Attorney Claire, ano ba talaga? Did the President carefully check the 2025 budget or did he miss the insertions? Right now, your statement and BBM's claims are contradicting. Hinuhugasan mo ang kamay ni BBM. Public money is on the line. If the story keeps changing, why should taxpayers believe the spending is clean? If you cannot keep the narrative straight, don't expect the country to keep its faith. Kala ko ba galit kayo sa fake news, parang kayo rin ang nagpapalaganap nito, matakpan lang ang kapalpakan ng administrasyong ito. Utang buot.